There's a lot of stuff that's broken in our culture. And so that was the exploration of like, well, why? Why is that happening? And I ran across a great quote by Krishnamurti, and he said, "It is no measure of health to be well adapted to a profoundly sick society." And the truth is, that's something that we've all been born into, and we've learned how to play the game, and we're being very successful at it. It doesn't mean that we're healthy, happy, or even really particularly high performing, because it turns out that culture is 8 times more effective than investing in either strategy or technology in terms of your long-term sustainable profit. So the apex predator on the globe before us was the wolf. And this is on every single continent except for Antarctica. Wolves are able to establish a very unique behavior system that allowed them to be vastly more competitive, innovative, resilient, all the stuff that we would like to be as an organization. They learned biologically how to hack that. And the reason that wolves are so effective is that they learned how to specialize. Wolves have a culture. And so specialization allows you to be versatile and it allows you to be adaptable. These are the 2 biggest things that you can have as a culture. Okay? Evolution is not survival of the fittest. Right? That's a misstatement. Evolution is survival of most adaptable. And the wolves are going to give you a glimpse into a hardwired biological tribe system that we modeled. So wolves need each other to be able to survive. It's not optional. They bring the fact that they need each other for alignment, so they have to operate with that safety kinship system. It leads to healthy conflict and ultimately sustainable thriving. It's the only way that they can survive. So that's built in, and if anything, that's what we learned from the wolves. And the wolves, the Native Americans refer to them as the teacher. You need each other.